on.
Yeah, I think it shut its light off though. Which means, I think it shut its light off, which means it...
Well, the goose come down. Hey guys, here's train 1. I think it's gonna stop because it's a westbound.
It just hit the horn.
Huh?
It hit the horn.
Is he moving?
He's coming through.
I think he's moving.
I think he's gonna come through.
Number? What's the number?
2194.
What?
Weird, huh?
What the? You seen that blow up there? No. What the heck is that all about?
That's weird, huh?
Here's an engine? $21.74.
94.
$21.94.
It's kind of strange, huh?
Huh?
Kind of strange.
There's the train.
Just an engine.
Yeah. Well, high five at least. That's train 1 for this week.
What do you want to do?
First Tuesday night. What?
Where to? I mean, go over these tracks and then what?
Unless that one goes south.
It's hard to say.
No?
I don't know what it's doing.
I think it's gonna go south probably.
But when? That's the problem. You never know when it's
What's up?
That's the problem, is you never know when.
Oh, alright.
You can sit here 3 hours and not move yet, you know?
You think that's going to run yellow, red?
That one went through in yellow red, but I don't.
Alright guys, it's off now. Port Huron, Michigan.